Deregulation prioritized, weakening civil rights protections and shifting focus from equity to school choice initiatives, primarily benefiting private and charter schools. Budget cuts impacted vital programs, especially those supporting disadvantaged students, limiting access to resources and widening achievement gaps across communities. Emphasis shifted away from federal oversight, granting states greater autonomy, potentially leading to inconsistent educational standards and accountability nationwide. Betsy DeVos's appointment signaled a fundamental shift, favoring market-based reforms and questioning the role of public education in a democratic society. Teacher loan forgiveness programs faced uncertainty, deterring individuals from pursuing careers in education, particularly in underserved and rural areas. Federal research funding decreased, hindering innovation and slowing progress in understanding effective teaching methods and learning strategies for students. Guidance on campus sexual assault was rescinded, weakening protections for survivors and potentially creating a more hostile environment for students. The Every Student Succeeds Act's implementation saw changes, impacting accountability measures and potentially diluting the law's original intent to improve education. Focus narrowed on standardized testing, potentially leading to a curriculum that prioritizes test preparation over critical thinking and creative problem-solving skills. Vocational training received increased attention, potentially diverting resources from broader academic programs and limiting students' college and career options. Data collection efforts were scaled back, hindering the ability to track student progress and identify disparities in educational outcomes across demographic groups. International education programs faced cuts, potentially limiting opportunities for students and educators to engage with global perspectives and practices. Oversight of for-profit colleges lessened, potentially leading to predatory lending practices and substandard education for vulnerable students seeking higher education. Emphasis placed on school choice initiatives, leading to debates about the equitable distribution of resources and the potential segregation of students.